Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on FTT with some important context you need to know. The price action is in a very neutral area right now, stuck with several fakeouts. So let's talk about the trade plan. The bullish breakout and retest on the daily chart might be in play, but until we get a clean weekly candle close above $1.08, any upside feels risky. A weekly close is a powerful signal that confirms a long-term trend, so waiting for it is the safer long. If we get a rejection below $1.08, you can expect more chop inside the range, so fade the wicks and don't chase the pumps. Now for the context you need to know. FTX's Chapter 11 plan became effective in early 2025, and creditor payouts are in progress. This has improved sentiment, but it does not restore FTT's utility. Multiple outlets have noted that FTT's rallies are news-driven and speculative, as the token lacks clear on-chain utility post-exchange shutdown. So is this a long-term bullish accumulation phase? Fundamentally, it's not proven. Without an official exchange relaunch or new utility, FTT remains a narrative and speculation token. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.